Current level, 1.2661 British pounds per USD shifted course and fell below 1.2650 after climbing above 1.2700 in the previous trading session. Currently, it appears that bearish sentiment is gaining momentum. Should bears breach below the support level at 1.2641, the next likely targets are 1.2601 and then 1.2554. The resistance level at 1.2680 seems to hold major psychological significance. If bulls manage to surpass it, the currency pair could extend its upward movement. However, failure to do so might indicate a potential bearish trend in the upcoming trading sessions. There are no major economic announcements scheduled for today.